So today I'm about to show you how you can make this amount of money or this in just 1 month from posting a single video to YouTube. And you will be able to do this without even having any subscribers, and you don't have to even be monetized. And not only that, but I'm about to show you how you can create the videos that's bringing in that amount of money for free using AI to do most of the work. All you will have to do is tell it what type of video to create, and it will literally make it for you in less than a minute. This is going to be something that anyone can do from anywhere in the world, and you won't want to miss out on this. What's up guys, this is Monique and welcome back to the channel. I am back with the news that you can use, but first, if you are new here, hello, bonjour, hola, aloha, konnichiwa, wagwan, shalom, assalamu alaikum, jambo, namaste. So this is an example of a channel that's doing exactly what I am getting ready to show you how to do. They are creating faceless type of YouTube videos, and then they are adding affiliate links to the description. So that means every time a person comes to that video and they see that link in the description, they click on it and they make a purchase, then they will receive a percentage of that sale. But the great thing about this is more inclusive for everyone because of the fact that there are absolutely no specific subscriber requirements for you to post these videos and add these affiliate links to it and then get paid. And again, you don't have to already be monetized on YouTube. However, by doing these type of videos, it will eventually lead to you becoming monetized on YouTube. You'll be making money from those affiliate links like I showed you earlier, and then YouTube will start paying you. Now, for those of you that feel like AI channels are not being monetized, it's impossible to do, or it will take forever, here is a channel that posts their very first video 4 months ago, and they are doing videos in the animal niche, and they are now monetized. And they are using AI 100% to create these videos. So yes, this does work. So before we get into creating these videos, because of the fact that we are not working with any subscribers, we need to make sure we create videos that people are searching for, because that's the only way that your videos will be found. And one amazing way that you can do that is by going to vidIQ, and you can search for what type of keywords people are actually typing into YouTube and looking for, so that you can make sure you are including that and you are creating your videos surrounding those words. And I'm going to search for dog just because that channel that we saw that recently did well was focused on animals, and as you can see, that keyword alone, it has over 1 million people that's searching for this thing right now, but the competition is extremely high. So you're gonna have to get a little bit more specific with it. And some of the things off the top of my head that I can think of that people may be searching for that we can actually plug our affiliate links into, maybe things like dog toys, dog food, dog grooming tips, things like that. And that one has a search volume of about 8,000, and the competition is low. You want to focus on low competition, because that means when people actually search for these videos, if it's low competition, yours will place higher in the ranks, which will get you those views and ultimately get you the money that we're trying to get. And there's also an AI coach on here that you can go to and ask questions about the best type of dog videos to create, and they will give you the best results based on what they feel like you can do. So this is a really awesome tool. They do have a free version, however the paid plan will open it up way more to more things. You can go and see what type of keywords people are plugging in their videos. You can see how many views per hour they are getting. These are the things that's going to help you to choose the right videos to create for your channel too. But I do have something for you. If you go down to the description below, you can get access to all of these great things on vidIQ for only $1. So now that we have all of that figured out, we can go ahead and start creating our video. And we are going to be using InVideo AI, and y'all, this will blow your mind. Because with this tool, you will be able to give it a prompt, basically tell it what type of video you want it to create, and it will create it. It's going to create a script. It's going to give you a human-like voiceover. It will add video clips, it will add captions, and this is all based on that one prompt that you gave it. So you can go down below to the description and sign up for a free account with InVideo AI. And once you have your free account and you log in, then you will be brought to this page, and this is where all of the magic is going to happen. You'll first come up here at the top and you'll select your workflow, and you can choose to do a YouTube short, which you know is less than 60 seconds, or you can do a YouTube explainer, which is the long form videos, or they have these recent events. Now, for the sake of time, I'm just going to be showing you how to do a YouTube short, but the process is going to be very similar if you decide to do a long form video. Now, this is where we enter the prompt telling InVideo AI what type of video we want it to create. And I created this free prompt for you to use because it's going to make sure you tell it all of the right things that you need to say so that you can get the best result. I'm going to put this prompt down in the description for you. So I just paste the prompt in the box, and then we'll just change the parts that we need to add and make it more personal to what we're doing today. And here is where you will select if you want it to be a male or female voice. And I find that a lot of videos that tend to go viral have more male voices, and then they are going to ask you what type of voice you want it in, and we'll keep everything else as is. We'll select continue, and then we'll hit generate, and it's going to do its magic. And then it's going to come back and ask these questions because it wants to make sure that it's getting the video right. And you can select which audience you want. You want to tell it what type of look and feel you want it to have. And we told it YouTube short, so we'll leave that as is. Hit continue, and now it is creating the video. And it literally took less than 60 seconds to do this. But let's see what this thing looks like.
Hello dog lovers, get ready to unleash the secrets of the top 3 dog food brands in the world. Let's dive into the delicious details. Paving the way, we have Blue Buffalo. They've got real meat as the first ingredient in their products, and they never use poultry byproduct meals, corn, wheat, or soy. Up next, Origin. This brand is premium, offering a variety of recipes, each brimming with fresh, raw, and dehydrated animal ingredients. And last but not least, Royal Canin. Their recipes are tailored to varying breeds, sizes, and life stages, making them a preferred choice for pet parents all around the globe. Bear in mind, the best food for your furry friend hinges on their particular needs. Hence, it's crucial to consult with your vet before introducing any changes to their diet. That's the whistle. Until our next minute of wisdom, farewell.
So I think it actually did a really awesome job. Let me know down in the comments what you think about this video. But in case the video it gives you has maybe a word that's misspelled, something that said you didn't like, or a video you don't like in there, you can always edit it. And there's 2 ways that you can do that. You can either do it manually by going down here to the edit tab, and you'll select edit media if you want to change one of those clips, because they have 2 of the same that are in this video. So I can just type in dog food, look at the different options that it gives me down here. Make sure you click what you want it to replace, and I'll just replace it with this one. Now, the other way that you can make changes, the way that I like to go about it, is to let AI do it. You can come down here and you can give it a command. For instance, if you don't like the music, you can just ask it to change the music in the video. You'll hit generate, and it's going to update and make the changes. So whatever changes you want to make, you can just put it in here, give it the prompt of what you want it to do, and then it's going to do it and produce a new video. And honestly, when it comes to like doing these type of product review videos, I suggest you do short and long form videos, because first of all, you don't know which one is going to work for you, and this is going to give you more coverage. And like I said, when it comes to doing long form videos, it is pretty similar. If you come back to that workflow that it had in the beginning, you'll just hit YouTube explainer. But with this one, it'll pretty much ask you how long you want it to be, and you can select it. Then it'll ask you for the topic, you type it in here, and then it says to give it creative direction, like the tone of the video that you want it to be. So with this one, you won't really need that prompt because it's going to break it down for you here, and everything else is pretty much the same process. But when you are done and you are ready to download your project, you can come over here and hit this export button, and it'll automatically give you these options right here. Now, if you don't want any watermarks in your video, and if you don't want any kind of AI branding in the video, you will have to upgrade and get one of the paid plans. And let me tell you, if you are really serious about this, if you want to make the money that I showed you that can be made in this, then I really suggest you doing videos that do not have that watermark. Why? Because it's going to make your video videos look more professional. It's going to make you look more trustworthy to the people that are watching, which in return is going to give them that boost to even go and purchase from the affiliate links that you put in the description. And if we hit the upgrade button down here, it shows you that if you get the yearly plan, you'll be paying $20 a month and you'll get access to all of these things. Or you can do the month to month where you'll have to pay $25 a month. But if you choose not to upgrade and you stick with the free plan, then you are going to have to again choose stock watermarks, and you are going to have to choose normal AI branding. That's the only way that you'll be able to download the video. And then again, you'll just hit that download button and you are done. Now let's talk about how we are going to use this video to make money with affiliate marketing. And there are many different affiliate programs out there. One of the most popular ones that I'm sure you may have heard of is going to be Amazon affiliate. And you can sign up for an absolutely free account to become an Amazon affiliate. And once you have your free account, how this will work is you'll go to Amazon.com and make sure you are logged in to the account that you signed up for Amazon affiliates. And from there, we are talking about pet foods. So we are going to go up here and we can search for the pet foods that we mentioned in the video. And one of the dog food brands was Blue Buffalo, and I found it right here. It is $60. So I'll click into it. And then I am going to go up top where you see Amazon Associates Site Stripe. This is where you're going to be able to get the affiliate link that you need to post in the description of your YouTube video. So you'll select text and it's going to give it to you right here. You just so copy that, and as you are uploading your video to YouTube, which is really simple, and this is where you can type out Blue Buffalo Life Protection Formula, and then you'll just place that link. The good thing about this is there is no limit to the amount of affiliate links that you can put here. So since you're talking about the 3 dog brands, you should go and look up all 3 of those dog brands and then grab the affiliate links and paste them into the description. And we'll do that for every single thing that we talk about in the video. If we're talking about top 10 of something, then we can go get all 10 links and we can paste it under here. And just for some random reason, if you don't get into the Amazon affiliate program, one of the other big ones that a lot of people use is going to be ClickBank, and you can sign up for a free account with them as well. And once you have your free account, you'll come to ClickBank Marketplace. You'll come to the All tab and you'll go down here to Home and Garden, search under Animal Care and Pets, and you may not find those particular dog food brands, but you'll see a lot of different things about dogs here that maybe you can plug into the affiliate link along with Amazon. You don't have to just use Amazon, you can also use this as well. Like some people may want to give their dogs probiotics to help with their gut health, and this is one right here that you can get the affiliate link for to add to your YouTube videos. And the thing with this one is, if someone purchased that probiotic from your affiliate link, you will receive $68.61. That's a good amount of money from one conversion. And Walmart and Target, they also have affiliate programs, so you can look into those as well. The more the merrier. Some may pay better than others, so you'll just have to take a little research to find out which affiliate program you feel best suits your needs. So I hope this helps you out today. If you have not liked this video, please do so because that helps me out. Other than that, I thank you so much for watching, and until next time, we are out. Peace.